If you're trying to figure out whether Writesonic or Ink Editor is the better choice for blogging, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into which AI tool offers more robust features for blogging, comparing them side by side to help you make an informed decision. Stay tuned because, by the end, I'll give you my final thoughts, including a better alternative you might want to consider. Let's start by talking about Writesonic. It's a popular AI writing tool known for its versatility and user-friendly interface. One of its standout features is the wide range of templates, like blog posts, ad copy, social media posts, and more. It uses GPT-3, which means it can generate high-quality content quickly. If you're looking to speed up the writing process, Writesonic definitely offers some strong automation features. However, while its templates are easy to use, you might find them a little too generic at times, especially if you're aiming for truly unique content. Next thing, let's look at Ink Editor. Ink Editor also offers AI-driven content creation, but with a specific focus on SEO optimization. What sets Ink Editor apart is its SEO dashboard that helps optimize your content in real time. It can suggest improvements for keyword density, readability, and even meta descriptions. So if SEO is a major concern for your blogging, Ink Editor could be the better option for you. That said, the interface can feel a little overwhelming at first, and it lacks some of the variety of templates that Writesonic provides. Now, let's talk about customization. Writesonic shines when it comes to customizability, especially if you have specific requirements for your blog posts. You can fine-tune your tone, style, and even the structure of your writing. But the downside is, while you can adjust certain parameters, it's still relatively basic compared to other writing assistants on the market. Ink Editor, on the other hand, has an edge here with its ability to adjust your content's SEO and readability in real time, but when it comes to creative control, it's a little more limited than Writesonic. Moving on to pricing. Writesonic offers a more affordable pricing model with flexible plans that cater to both individuals and teens. It gives you a decent number of words for the price, especially if you're just starting with blogging. Ink Editor's pricing, while not too high, does tend to be a bit more expensive for the premium features like SEO suggestions and optimization. If you're on a tight budget, Writesonic might feel like a better value overall, especially if you're just dipping your toes into AI-powered blogging. The fourth thing worth noting is customer support. Writesonic offers good support with live chat and helpful resources, but some users have reported slower response times during peak periods. Ink Editor support is pretty solid too, offering live chat, email support, and a decent knowledge base. However, users have mentioned that the SEO-centric nature of the tool means the learning curve can be steep, so you might spend some time figuring out how to maximize its potential. Lastly, let's touch on content quality. Both tools do an impressive job at generating readable content, but Writesonic sometimes comes off as a little too formulaic. The blog posts can sound mechanical at times, lacking the depth that some experienced bloggers crave. Ink Editor tends to produce more natural-sounding content, especially with its SEO-focused approach, but it might not be as creative as Writesonic when it comes to writing style. It's clear that both have strengths in different areas, so the right one depends on your priorities. To wrap it up, both Writesonic and Ink Editor offer strong features for blogging, but they cater to different needs. If you're looking for versatility and ease of use with a wider range of templates, Writesonic might be your go-to. However, if your primary goal is to focus on SEO optimization for long-term blog growth, Ink Editor could be the way to go. But after trying both myself, if you're looking for a more well-rounded tool that combines the best of both worlds, creativity and SEO optimization, there's a better alternative. If you want to take advantage of this, check out the free trial in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits available only to our viewers.